Hello, it's Chen Chen. Today we're making a Selkie inspired dress. I'll put the dress right here. It is called the I forgot already. Literally, I have checked it so many times before I started to record, but I still forgot it. It's called the Candy Heart Romance Novel Pre-order. It is $320 for sale. I happen to have some similar colors organza right here. I only have 5 meters of this fabric, so maybe the dress isn't gonna be as poofy as the one, you know, the actual dress, but I'll try my best. And also the lace, I don't have white lace, but I'm thinking maybe this one. It's really pretty, but we'll see, okay? So last night I have figured out the pattern already and made a mock-up for the top. Here it is. It fits pretty good, but it still needs some alter. Needed to be tightened up 1 centimeter on the back center, and this armhole, like, come on, are you kidding me? This armhole is so ridiculous, so we have to alter that. But yeah, this is the pattern for the top. Let's get started. Okay, I just clipped my hair up because I rewatched the intro video and I look a little bit crazy. Now, what we're gonna do is to iron this with this together, because together they are less see-through than this, right? Go. Okay, I just finished cutting the pieces for the top. They are here, and now I'm going to make some lunch. Okay, I made some dumplings a couple days ago because it's New Year, and the water is boiling. I'm gonna cook some packaged noodles. Quick update. Here is the top part. The color is really gorgeous. I like it so much. I have the lining ready as well, and I think I'm going to attach the skirt, attach the lining for skirt part. I'm gonna use this white, kind of see-through fabric, but I only have this much. not a lot, so probably it's not going to be a circle skirt. I'm just going to gather this long piece and make them fit my waist. Yep.
The next day.
Good morning. It's already noon actually. I sleep so late last night, almost 4 a.m. and I'm super regretting now. So yesterday I finished the lining and the skirt attached together. So today I'm gonna work on the actual skirt and the tier. Hopefully I can finish the entire dress today. Hopefully. Oh, I didn't put on makeup on because half the day is gone. Like, what's the point? Anyway, back to the dress. Update. That is the lining, that is the skirt, that is the bodice, and and that is the tier. Finished this dress almost a week ago. Actually 99% of this dress, because I wanted to add the lace detail at the bottom of the tier and here at the bottom of the dress. Originally I was thinking using this one, but it just the color is too close, so it's not that good. So I ordered these white lace online, and because it was Chinese New Year and all the post service was stopped for almost a week, so I'm just like waiting and waiting, and finally I got these beautiful lace today. Now let's add them on and film the result for you guys. I should have dusted this mirror. Anyway, the more I wear it, the more I like it. It's so princess core. I feel like those, you know, oil painting with beautiful women with beautiful dresses, especially from this sitting down angle, isn't it right? Like, nice. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys how much this dress cost to make. So this pink fabric cost about, I think it was 35 yuan, which is around $5, and this lace cost 10 yuan, which is $1.50. So entirely this dress cost me under $10 to make. Oh, those are my fabric stack. It's just getting more and more because I keep buying more. Anyway, if you like to watch me make more dresses, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!